Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to blur your face on Capcut. So here I've already have a 5 seconds video of someone dancing and I want to cover her face with a blur effect. So what you guys can do is you can just copy the video. So find copy, and then in the first one click on overlay, so it will align like this, and then after that click on effects and find a video effects and go to basic and find blur. Okay, blur, and then click on the check icon, and then after that click on object. First we can just align the effects until the end of the video, and then after that click on object and click on overlay so that the blur effect will be applied only to the overlay, and then click on the check icon. Okay, so here is the result. So next click on the overlay, click on this, and then go find mask. Okay, and click on circle, and then you can adjust the blur like this to the face part only, for example like this, and then you're done. The face has been blurred, and then you can just click on a check icon. But since this is a video, so the object will be moving around, so of course the circle or the blur will be go like this. So what you guys need to do is use keyframe. So here go to the beginning of the video, and then click on add keyframe at the top, and then you can just move. Okay, so here you can move to the next spot and choose. Okay, you can see now the face is not covering, so if you want to cover it, you can just click on another keyframe. So you can just click on the add keyframe again, and then here go to mask and click on the circle again, and then you can just move it like this. Click on the check icon. So let's see the result. So it will change again, and you can just find the next movement. So go like this. Okay, so I'm going to add another keyframe in here. Okay, and then go to mask again and move the circle. Click on the check icon, and then you can just move again. Okay, okay, click on add keyframe, go to mask, and then move the circle again. Play the video again. Okay, I'm going to add another keyframe, mask, and move it again like this, and then play again. Okay, so here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.